Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to maximize your profits in the medical supply delivery business. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my future videos. Let's get started. First off, let's talk about negotiating with suppliers. It's crucial to establish a good relationship with your suppliers. This can lead to better prices, more favorable terms, and even exclusive deals. 1. Research. Before you start negotiating, do your homework. Understand the market prices for the supplies you need, and know what other suppliers are offering. This will give you a strong footing when you start the negotiation process. 2. Build relationships. Suppliers are more likely to give you a good deal if they see you as a valuable, long-term customer. So, build a relationship with them. Attend industry events, set up regular check-ins, and show them that you're serious about your business. 3. Communicate your needs clearly. Be clear about what you need, including quantities, delivery times, and payment terms. This will help the supplier understand your business and offer you the best possible deal. 4. Negotiate on more than just price. While the price is important, it's not the only factor. You can also negotiate on delivery times, payment terms, and even the quality of the supplies. 5. Be willing to walk away. If a supplier isn't willing to meet your needs, be prepared to walk away. There are plenty of other suppliers out there who may be a better fit for your business. Part 2. Optimizing delivery routes. Next, we'll discuss optimizing your delivery routes. Time is money in the delivery business, so the more efficient your routes, the more deliveries you can make, and the more money you can earn. I'll show you some tools and strategies to plan your routes effectively. Time is money in the delivery business, so the more efficient your routes, the more deliveries you can make, and the more money you can earn. 1. Planning. Start by planning your routes. Use a map or a route planning software to figure out the most efficient way to deliver your supplies. Consider factors like traffic, distance, and the number of deliveries you have to make. 2. Prioritize deliveries. Not all deliveries are created equal. Some might be more urgent than others, or some customers might be more important to your business. Prioritize your deliveries based on these factors. 3. Use technology. There are many apps and software that can help you optimize your delivery routes. These tools can consider factors like traffic, road conditions, and delivery windows to help you plan the most efficient route. 4. Regular review. Don't just set your routes and forget about them. Regularly review your routes to see if they can be improved. Maybe there's a new road, or maybe traffic patterns have changed. Stay on top of these changes to keep your routes optimized. 5. Train your drivers. Your drivers are the ones on the road, so make sure they're trained to drive efficiently. Includes things like driving at the right speed, not idling the engine, and taking the most efficient route, not just the shortest. Remember, the more efficient your routes, the more deliveries you can make, and the more money you can earn. So take the time to optimize your delivery routes. Part 3. Upselling products. Now, let's move on to upselling. This is a great way to increase your revenue without having to make more deliveries. 1. Know your products. The first step to effective upselling is knowing your products inside and out. Understand the benefits of each product, and be ready to explain why a customer might want to upgrade. 3. Offer value. When you're upselling, always focus on the value the customer will get from the upgrade. This could be better performance, longer lifespan, or even just saving them time on their next order. 4. Be sensitive to customer needs. Not every customer will be open to upselling, and that's okay. Be sensitive to your customer's needs and don't push too hard. If a customer is clearly not interested, it's better to back off and maintain the relationship. 5. Train your team. If you have a team, make sure they're trained in upselling techniques. This can be a great way to increase your revenue without having to make more deliveries. Remember, the key to successful upselling is to offer value and be sensitive to your customers' needs. With the right approach, you can increase your revenue and build stronger relationships with your customers. Let's talk about customer service. This is often overlooked in the delivery business, but it's crucial for building long-term relationships with your customers. 1. Be responsive. When a customer has a question or a problem, be quick to respond. This shows that you value their business and are committed to solving their issues. 3. Train your team. If you have a team, make sure they're trained in customer service. They should know how to handle complaints, answer questions, and provide information about your products. 4. Ask for feedback. Regularly ask your customers for feedback. This can help you identify areas for improvement and show your customers that you value their opinion. Remember, good customer service can turn a one-time customer into a loyal, repeat customer. So invest in your customer service and watch your business grow. Lastly, we'll discuss building a strong brand. This is crucial for standing out in the competitive delivery business and attracting loyal customers. 1. Define your brand. Start by defining what your brand stands for. This could be fast delivery, excellent customer service, or eco-friendly practices. Whatever it is, make sure it's something that resonates with your target customers. 2. Consistent messaging. Once you've defined your brand, make sure your messaging is consistent. This includes your website, social media, and even the way your drivers interact with customers. Consistency helps to build trust and recognition. 3. Professional appearance. A professional appearance can go a long way in building a strong brand. This includes your logo, uniforms, and even the appearance of your delivery vehicles. 4. Customer engagement. Engage with your customers on a regular basis. This could be through social media, email newsletters, or even face-to-face interactions. Engagement helps to build a community around your brand. 5. Deliver on your promises. Finally, make sure you deliver on your promises. If you promise fast delivery, make sure your deliveries are always on time. If you promise excellent customer service, make sure your customers are always satisfied. That's it for today's video. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you have any questions or if there's anything else you'd like me to cover in future videos, please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.